Fab Rats is a popular YouTube channel that focuses on showcasing and reviewing makeup products. The channel has gained a large following in recent years due to the popularity of the beauty and cosmetics industry. The channel is run by two sisters, Catherine and Stephanie, who have a passion for makeup and beauty. In this article, we will be exploring the net worth and investments of Fab Rats. Net worth of Fab Rats. It is estimated that Fab Rats has a net worth of approximately $1 million. The majority of their income comes from YouTube revenue, brand sponsorships, and product promotions. As of 2021, the channel has over 600,000 subscribers and has garnered over 100 million views. With such a large following, it is no surprise that the channel has been able to generate a significant amount of income. YouTube revenue. The primary source of income for Fab Rats is through YouTube revenue. According to Social Blade, a website that tracks YouTube statistics, Fab Rats earns an estimated $1,500 to $24,000 per month from their YouTube channel. This range can fluctuate depending on factors such as views, engagement, and ad revenue. It is important to note that YouTube takes a percentage of the revenue generated from the ads that appear on the videos. Brand sponsorships. Fab Rats has also been able to generate income through brand sponsorships. The channel has collaborated with various makeup and beauty brands such as Maybelline, Urban Decay, and Benefit Cosmetics. These collaborations involve the sisters reviewing and promoting the products in their videos. The amount earned from sponsorships can vary depending on the brand and the terms of the agreement. Product promotions. In addition to brand sponsorships, Fab Rats also generates income through product promotions. The channel features various makeup products in their videos and includes affiliate links in the description box. These links allow viewers to purchase the products directly from the retailer, and the channel earns a commission for each sale made through the link. Investments of Fab Rats. It is unclear what specific investments Fab Rats has made, but as successful content creators, it is likely that they have invested in their business and personal finances. Here are some potential investments that Fab Rats may have made. Equipment and studio upgrades. As YouTubers, the sisters may have invested in their equipment and studio setup to improve the quality of their videos. This can include cameras, lighting, microphones, and editing software. Business ventures. Fab Rats may have also invested in other business ventures related to the beauty and cosmetics industry. This can include launching their own makeup line, collaborating with other content creators, or investing in other makeup brands. Stocks and real estate. With a successful YouTube channel and a significant amount of income, it is possible that the sisters have invested in stocks or real estate. Investing in stocks can potentially generate passive income through dividends, while investing in real estate can provide long-term returns through rental income or property appreciation. Conclusion. Fab Rats is a popular YouTube channel with a large following in the beauty and cosmetics industry. The channel has been able to generate a significant amount of income through YouTube revenue, brand sponsorships, and product promotions. As successful content creators, it is likely that the sisters have invested in their business and personal finances. Although the specific investments made by Fab Rats are unclear, it is possible that they have invested in equipment and studio upgrades, business ventures, stocks, and real estate. With their continued success and popularity, it is likely that the net worth and investments of Fab Rats will continue to grow in the future.